In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize audio clips effectively in your editing software. This is an essential skill to ensure your audio sounds professional and consistent throughout your project. Whether you're working on a podcast, a video, or any other multimedia project, managing audio levels is crucial for your audience's listening experience. Let's dive straight in and make your audio stand out. First, start by navigating to your timeline or project panel, depending on how your software is set up. Here, you'll want to select the clip or the multiple clips you desire to normalize. This process is going to help in bringing uniformity to your audio levels by adjusting them according to the needs of your project. If you're working with several clips, don't worry, this method will adjust them all efficiently. Once you've highlighted your clip or clips, you need to right-click on the selection. Alternatively, there's a quicker way. Simply press the G key on your keyboard. Both these actions will bring up the audio gain dialog. This is where the magic happens. In the audio gain dialog box, you're going to focus on the field labeled Normalize Max Peak 2. This option is your tool for setting the desired decibel level. You can choose your target value here. Commonly, something like -3 decibels works well, as it ensures your audio peaks are not too loud while maintaining clarity. If you've selected more than one clip, make sure to use Normalize All Peaks too. This functionality is incredibly helpful when you're aiming for a consistent audio level across multiple clips. What it does is adjust all selected clips relative to the loudest among them. This uniformity is key, especially in projects where multiple clips or tracks are being synced together. After you've set your desired values, click OK. The gain of your audio will be adjusted accordingly, which you'll notice reflected in the waveform. It'll show a higher amplitude, indicating that the audio levels have been increased to the specified peak. But remember, more amplitude isn't always better, so let's verify our work. Now it's time to listen to your adjusted clips, play them back, and keep a close eye on your audio meter panel. The goal here is to ensure you're not clipping the audio. That is, the volume shouldn't be so high that it goes into the red zone. Clipping can distort your sound, and we definitely want to avoid that. Check for balance, making sure that all parts of your audio are neither too soft nor too overwhelming. By following these steps, you'll have your clips normalized and ready for the next phase of your project. Audio normalization is a crucial part of making your project sound polished and professional. Take your time with these adjustments, and your audience will appreciate the clarity and consistency in your audio.